Hello everyone, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. A lot of people ask me, so what's clay barring? Do you really need to do it? So I'm going to give you a real short video on why you need a clay bar and when. So you have your hand clay, Griot's Garage product, great clay. It's literally just a soft clay. Then you have the synthetic clay, which is, this one comes with a foam. You can just use it. In my detail business, I prefer using the Surface Prep Mitt. Okay, it's by Griot's Garage as well. Love this. So it's a big mitt and it contains the clay, synthetic clay in the mitt. Okay, quickly creates a smooth surface free and any gloss stealing contaminants. Okay, so what are contaminants? It's what we pick up on the road. So if your car is clean, okay, and you go and you rub your fingers over the car, pretty smooth. Oh wow, my car is fine. Well, here's a trick I learned from some detailers. Take a Ziploc bag, feel your paint with your bare hand, then put the Ziploc bag in your hand and rub it over the paint. You will feel all the road contaminants, all the bumps really easily. So what do? Put your hand in the Ziploc bag, check your paint. Now, do you need to clay your car every time you wash it? No, you don't. I would recommend doing it every time you're going to apply a wax, a sealant. You have to use your lubrication. I love Rinseless Wash and Wax by Griot's. I use it in my door jambs, around the trunks, anywhere where I want to clean and put a wax on. You can also use it as a lubricant for the clay bar. So what do? You can wash the car, you can use soap, or you can use on your spray detailer. Okay, use it heavily. Okay, make sure you primer your mitt, then just go in straight lines. Very easily to do, back and forth. What this does is it lifts off those road contaminants and it gives you a clean surface for waxing. I can tell already it's made a huge difference. Okay, so I don't know if you can pick this up on camera. I'm going to use the mitt again and we'll see if we can see and hear the difference. Almost completely smooth. One or two little bumps. So there, folks, is the reason why we need to use a synthetic clay mitt, clay bar, decontaminate your paint before you wax or seal it. Have a great day. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Attention to Detail in Tempe. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Hopefully you'll find some information. If you have any questions, send me an email. Have a great day.